Hi, my name is Dan Morton, and welcome to my tutorial, How to Add Texture Using Channels. So I have the document, The New Deal, right here, just a simple white background with a black text layer over top. And the goal here is to add a more interesting texture to what now is just plain black text. So in order to do that, we are going to go to File, Place, and I'm going to drop in a texture image that I already know and like here. And that's the one. So we drop it in. I'll shift drag in order to rotate it how I would like it and scale it up. And there we go. Press enter to accept. And so now we have this texture layer over top of our type and background. And in order to apply this texture to the type, essentially what we want to do is select all of the color values within this texture, within this image, and subtract them from what we see now with this type. So we're going to rasterize this type layer first off in order to make those pixels able to be subtracted from, essentially. We're going to make our texture layer visible, and then we will go into our channels panel. In our channels panel, we will see our red, green, and blue values, and command click on RGB right there in order to select the RGB values within that image. Now we can go back to our layers panel, and we see that we still have this selection here. I can make our texture layer invisible, go down to our type layer, keeping that selection, and now with the type layer selected as a layer on our right here, I can simply hit the delete button, and I see that all of those color values have been subtracted. I can press Command D in order to deselect, and now we have the same type layer with a new texture applied to it. And I would say that's an interesting texture there, and we can even delete our old texture file, our texture image, in order to make this independent all by itself. We can see that this type layer is now its own. And if we'd like to darken that up a little bit, we can just hit Command J a couple of times in order to make that happen. I can select them and merge layers. Now once again we simply have two layers. The New Deal, which is non-editable type, but the pixels remain, and our background. And that is how you apply a texture using the channels.